Hello students, today our discussion is SBI Clerical Mains Grand Test 16 Quantitative Aptitude. We'll go for the questions directly. Look at the first one. The first one is about case-led DI. It is somewhat lengthy. It is a 91 to 95. Study the following information carefully and answer the questions given below. There are 6 cities A, B, C, D, E, F. The population city D is 20% is more than that of city A. The population of city F is 50% is more than that of city D. The population of city C is 50% is more than that of city D. The population of city B is 70% of that of city F. The population of city A is 1300. And they are mentioned males gender and females and children. They are mentioned 3 type of genders and how many cities? 6 cities. Based on this chart, we have to make a one table. Okay, without knowing the table, you can't estimate the what was answers are there. So we'll go for the table now. Okay, so how to make a table now? Here A city, and here B city, here is C city, here is D, and here is E, and finally F. Okay, 6 cities are there. And total strength of the cities, and next to males, and next to females, and next to children. So we have to take 4 lines. Okay. Directly we'll go for the data. There are 6 cities. Yes, D is 20% is more than that of A. Comparing to A, D have a 20% is more, but A is already we know how much 1300. This is the key point for us. Based on this, we have to write it. Now go for the table. A is contain 1300. A is 1300 means comparing to A, D have how much percentage more? 20% is more. 20% more means 260 more. 260 more means it is becoming how much? 560. 1560. 1560. Next, the population of city F is 50% is more than that of D. 50% is more than that of D. F value 50% is more. In 1560, half value is 1500 half value 750, 60 half value 730, it is a 780. 780 we have to add it. 780 we have to add it now. It is becoming 2340. It is value is what? 2340. 50% is extra added. Next, the population of city C is 50% is more than that of B, but we require B value. The population of city B is 70% is of that of F. In this we require 70% is F value. The population of B value is 70% of F. 7 will be multiplied. 7 4s are 28, 8, 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 2 it is a 23, 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 2 it is a 1638. 1638. Then comparing to 1638, C value is how much percentage more? 50% is more. In 1638, half value is 819, 819. 819 added 16 plus 8, 24, and 38 plus 19, it is a 57. Okay, this is almost we completed. E value we can write, but first 4 lines is not mentioned the E value. Then later we'll coming to that. Next, 40% of the population of city A is males. 40%. 40% means nothing but it is a 520. 520 is male. Next, 50% of the 15% of the remaining population of city A is children. 15%. 15% of 520 will be removing from the 1300. Remaining value is 780. In 780, 15% means 10% is 78, and it is a 5% is 39. 39 plus 78 added, it is becoming 117. It is becoming 117, and we have to manipulate. 520 plus 117, it is a 637. 637 is removing from the 1300. It is a value is 663. A portion completed. As it is, we have to fill the B portion also. Next, based on the lines, C portion directly, because the this line mentioned. Look at 1 by 7 of population of city C are children. Okay. City C are children. Children 1 by 7. 1 by 7 C. 1 by 7 C means here look at 7 3s are 21. 21 7 5s are 7 1s are. It is equal to 351. And the ratio of males to females ratio is 2:1. Okay. Remaining value is 2:1. Here is 1 by 7. 1 by 7 means how many parts? 7 parts. In this, children's is 1 part, and it is a females and it is a males. For this, which this is the C city. Okay, and 2:1 male to female ratio 2:1. 2 plus 1 is 3 parts. 3 parts is equal remaining 6 parts means it is a 4 parts. It is a 3 parts. It is a 2 parts, and it is a 1 part. 1 plus 2 plus 4 total is in denominator. How many parts they are given? 7 parts. Now this 7 parts. Okay, clearly. Now 1 part is equal to 351. Then 2 parts is equal to 702, and 4 parts is equal to 1404. Then this totally added, which should be equal to 2457. Now males of the C is 1404 and females value is 702. Now C portion is also completed. Next, the male population of D is 2/3 of the female population of city A. Female population is 2/3. 2/3 means 3 will be dividing, it is becoming 2 to 1. 2 to 1 is multiplied to 2, it is becoming 442. This is for whom? D male population 442 as per this line. Which line? As per this 2 by 3. Next, 35% of population of D are females. In this we require 35%. In 1560, 30% and extra 5%. That's we have to take it. Okay, and 10% value 156. Okay, 30% value is 15 is 3 times means 450 and 6 3 is 18. This is 468. 468 plus 78. 468 plus 78 means which is equal to 546. 546. Now we have to manipulate 442 plus 546, which is equal to 988. 988 removing from the 1560, which is equal to 572. Next, D portion is also completed. Now coming to the E portion. The male population of city E is twice the population of children of city A. Okay. Male population of E is twice the city A children's. Okay. 117 double is 234. This is for whom? E. Next, and the population of city E is children population city E is 1/3 of the population of children of city C. City C is 351. In this 1 and 117. 1 by 3 of 351 value 117. 3 1 is 370. Next, the male population of city B is 50% of the male population of city C. Okay, 50% of city C. So 50% means it is equal to 702. 702. The 702 will be removing from the 1638. Remaining value will be separated for females and children. Next, 1 by 6 of population of city B are children. 1 by 6. 1 by 6 means 6. How many times? 6 2s are 12. 6 2s are 12. Remaining is what? 43. 6 7s are and 6 3s are. 273. Then 273 plus 702, it is equal to 975. 975 will be removing from the 1638, which is equal to 663. Okay, and B portion is also completed. We have to fill the E and F now. And coming to the next line, the male population of city F is 50% is of the population of town B. Male population 50% of town B value is what? 1638 of value is 819. 819, that is belongs to male population for F. Next, 10% of the population of cities F are children. That means 234. 234 members are belongs to children. Next, the total population of town E is 74% of the total population of town E. 74% means 74 into 13. We can multiply. Okay. Then here 52 5. It is a 91. 91 plus 5 means it is a 962. Yes, 962. It is a 52 plus 91. 13 7 13 4 962. We have to add it 962. from 962, 234 and 117 will be removed. We'll get a remaining answer. 234 plus 117, which is equal to 351. 351 will be removed. You will get 611. Okay, 611. Okay, clear. And here is also we should manipulate. 800 plus 200, it is 1000. 1000 will be cancelled. Remaining is 1340. 19 plus 34, which is equal to 53. 53 removing from the 1340. Remaining value is what? 1287. Okay. Now table will be completed. Now we'll go for the questions directly. Look at the question. The question is, the female population of city E and F together is what percentage of the children population of city CDE together? Female population of city E and F. EF. It is 1200 plus 600. It is a 1800. 1898 by children population of city DE. CDE. Children population city CDE means 351 plus 572 plus 117 added. 500 plus 300, 800 plus 100, 900. 900 plus 17 plus 72, it is a 89. 89 plus 190, 90 plus 50, 140. 140 plus here the 900, it is equal to overall value is 1040. We need percentage multiply with 100. If it is 100, 100 will be going to cancel. Look at, if it is assume it 1000, 0, 0 will be cancelled, it is a 10. 898.8. 189.8 you will answer. But your answer is less than this. Less than this because you are dividing with 104. Then our answer is here is 182.5% when you are going for exactly. Let's check the next question. Okay. If 4 females are joined city D, then what is the average female population of all the city together? First of all, I need the total female population. Total female population. Okay. 1200, 600, 500, it is a 2300, 2300, 700, 3000. 3000 plus 600 plus 600, 4200. 4200 plus extra 98. 98 plus 200, 146. 146 plus 126. 146 plus 126 means which is equal to 372. 372 added to 4100, it is equal to overall is 4472. Okay, this is about female population of for all cities. Is city together 4 females are joined now, it is extra, it is become 4476. 4476. We take average we can take it. 7 6 7 is 42, remaining is 27. 6 4 is 24 and 6 6 it is answer is 746. Option C. Option C. Next question. What is the difference between female population of city ABF together? City ABF together. 663, 663, 1200 and sorry, it is a 1300 and 3 plus 3, it is a 6. 16 plus 60, 66, 66, it is a 132. 132 plus 6 is 1326. 1326 plus F. This is 1287 added. It is a overall added now. It is become 26. It is a 2613 minus children population of city CDE together. Children population of city CDE together. Children population of city CDE together. Here 300, 500, 800, 800 plus 100, 900. Hold with this. Next 72 plus 17, it is a 89. 89 plus 1, 90. 90 plus 50, it is a 140. 140 plus 900, it is a 1040. 1040. 1040. And it is a 3. And 261 minus 104. From 261, 100 will be removed. It is a 161. 161. 4 will be removed. It is a 157. Then final our answer is option B. For the same data, next question. Total male population of all cities together is what percentage more or less than the total population of children all cities together? Required children total value. Okay, 200 plus 100, it is a 300, 300 plus 300, 600, 600 plus 500, 1100, 1100 plus 200, 400. It is a 1500, 1500 plus extra values it is there. 34 plus 17, it is a 51, 51 plus 72, it is a 123, 123 plus 51, it is a 174. 174 plus 3, it is a 177, 177 plus 70, it is a 247, 247 plus 17. It is a overall, it is equal to what? 1664. Now adding all the values, we will get 1664. Now as it is, we should add it males also. Males add it here. 800, 200, it is a 1000. 1400 and 400, 1800. 1800 and 5 plus 7 is a 12. 12 plus 18, 30. 30 plus 12, it is a 4000. We will get 4000 change. 19 plus 34, it is a 53. 53 plus 42, it is a 95. 99. 99 plus 1, 91 plus 1, it is a 93. 103. Okay, overall it is becoming 404,472. Okay, no, it's wrong. No? Already we did this. 4121. Okay. Now is what percentage more or less than? 4121 is more than the 1664. How much more it is? 247 more. 2457 more comparing to 1664. We need percentage multiply with 100. How much more? Look at in 1664, in 2457, not already it is a 100 percentage. Out of after the 100 percentage, you can think about more. Okay, of course it is a more means the less options are wrong. Okay, 145 and it's a less, more options are wrong, not less, more options are wrong. Okay, we have a two options, and it is a 1664 100 percentage in 2457. In this 800 extra, 800 means nearly 50 percentage. Okay, but it is a 860, 832, but we require extra, it is a 57. Okay, 400 and it is a no. That means it is a 100 plus 40 percentage plus extra. Okay, not 50 percentage also exactly. That means our answer is option B here. Okay, no need to calculate correctly, just to go through the options. Next, we will take a ratio. What is the ratio of male population of city C and city D together? Male population city D, it is a 1404 and 4442. It is a 1846. 1846. And the next, female population of B and E together. B and E female population 600, 600. It is a 1200. It is 74. This is we have to take 74 of value 37. It is a 6 and 9 23. This is our answer. That means option C is correct. Option C is correct. Okay, the data is enough for this up to 95. Now we'll go for the next 96 to 100 questions. You can observe this. It is also very easy data. Study the following information carefully and answer the questions given below. Malaria cases reported from various states during 3 different years: Himachal Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Gujarat and Punjab, and different years 2016, 2017, 2018. Overall is how many cities? 5 cities. And total malaria cases in India wise. This is India wise. Table is given for India wise. This is states wise. Okay. Then go for the question. Here, the number of malaria cases reported in Himachal Pradesh in 2008 is what percentage of the malaria cases reported in Punjab in 2017? Himachal in 2018. 2018 means it is a 6. Okay, it is how much? 6. Is what percentage of malaria cases Punjab in 2017? Punjab in 2017 is 24. We need percentage multiply with 100. 6 to 24, 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is equal to how much percentage? 25%. That means which option is correct? Option C is correct. Okay. For the same data, next question. Here, look at the question. In which state the difference between the malaria cases 2017-2018 is 5 and has incidence in 2016? This Gujarat only. Look at 18 to 13 difference is 5 and first case is 2016 0. Which is state? Gujarat. Option B. It's a direct question. Next. Just remember, this highest value is 131. Okay. Next. By what percentage of malaria cases were reported in Rajasthan in 2017 with respect to total cases reported in India that year? 2017. In 2017, India was 1600 cases. In particularly, malaria reported in Rajasthan. Rajasthan in 2017, 131. We need percentage multiply with 100. 0000 cancel. 16 to 131. How many times? Is how many times? 8 times or 7 times? 8 times. Okay. 8 times means next 16 8 jar. Okay. 128. Okay. 128 removing from the 131 means you will get 3. That means decimal will apply now. It is a 30. That means it is a one time. That means our answer is 8.19%. Combinations wise, option C is correct. Next. What is the difference between average number of malaria cases in the given 5 states in 2017 and that in 2018? 2017, 2018. 35 to 6 difference is 29 plus 41 to 32 difference is 9 plus 131 to 115 difference is 116 plus next 18 to 13 difference is 5 and 24 to it is a difference is 21. Difference after you can take the average, no problem. And 9 plus 21 is 30. 30 plus 5 35. 35 plus 116 it is a 151. 151 plus 29 it is a 180. 180 by 5 it is equal to 36. 36 means which option is correct? Option C. Next. Here the question. Find the total number of malaria cases in the given 5 states in 2016. In given 5 states in 2016 means 6 plus 3 9. 9 plus 27 it is a 36. 36 plus 18 54 it is the overall value. No, so something wrong. So 6 plus 3 plus 27 plus 0 plus 3. This is added na 30 and 6 plus 3 9. Overall is what? 39. Then 39 means which option is correct? Option A is correct. Next we have a directions 101 to 105 pie chart, and the next one is they mention a table also. The pie chart is mentioned. Pie chart is given below, shows the distribution of degree of time taken by 5 trains cross a pole. Sum of the pie chart is how many seconds? 150 seconds. This is a 360 degrees. This is the degrees and this is the time is 150 seconds. We have to distribute to all the trains. How many trains are there? 5 trains are there. A, B, C, D, E. 5 trains are there. For 5 trains purpose, we have to distribute this 150 seconds. How to calculate? For example, we'll go with the A. A train will be take how much time to crossing a pole? How to consider? 864 by 360 degrees. In this we require how much? 150. Okay. 0 cancel. 360 is total degrees. A train taken 86.4 degrees out of 360 degrees. from the 150 seconds. 0 0 cancel, 3 5s are 3 12s are 3 12s are, and 12 7s are 84, 12 12s are. It is a 7.2. 7.2 into 5. 7.2 into 5 means 72 by 10. 72 by 10 into 5. 5 2s are, it is a how many seconds? 36 seconds. That means train A consider how many seconds? 36 seconds. As it is, we should calculate for B also. You can observe that 86.4 and for 43.2. It is a 86.4 half value, 43.2 means B taken how many seconds? 18 seconds. Directly will it. If you need to calculate C, see how to calculate. Look at here, 51.84 by 360 degrees into 150. Here is 0 0 cancel, 3 12s are and 3 5s are, and 12 will going to cancel in the 51. 12 4s are 48. 12 4s are 48. 12 4s are is 48 means remaining is 30. 3 8 12 3 is 36. 12 2, then 432. 432 and 2 decimals, 432 by 100 into 5. 5 to 100 how many times? 20 times, and 2 will be multiplied. It is a 216, and 1 decimal means it is a 21.6 seconds taken by which train? C train. This is the way we have to distribute. Okay, we have to distribute. And coming to the next line, they are mentioning here the difference between the length of train A platform meters. Some platform is there, one platform is crossed by all the trains A, B, C, D, E. This is and next, not all the given trains are length is more than the length of the platform. Comparing to platform, there all the train crossing the same platform. The platform length is smaller than the all the trains. Comparing to all the trains, the length of platform is common for all. Time taken by train A cross a platform is 54 seconds. Okay. From this we have to write. Look at. And train A to platform, how many meter difference? 200 meter difference. Okay. From this we'll write a one data. We required one values here. Look at train A to platform, how many meters difference? 200 meter difference. This is the line mentioned. Okay. And train A crossing a platform in how many seconds? 54 seconds. How you know this 54 seconds? Mention this line. Look at. This is how many seconds? 54 seconds. Okay. The same train is crossing a pole in how many seconds? Pole in how many seconds? Look at 36 seconds. Already we know 36 seconds. That means both the cases, length by time apply, you will get train speed on. Train A crossing platform, train A crossing pole. Same train. That means it's contain the same speed. Here is A will be here. A will by 36 and 54. Look at here is both are going to cancel, and we already know that A minus P is equal to what? 200. A minus P is equal to 200. A minus P is equal to 200, then P is equal to what? A minus 200. If you are substituting A minus 200 here, compulsory you will get P value. Then P value, overall value is 200. If you are solving this, you will get P value is how much? 200 you will get. Then P value is 200. From A, 200 will be removing, you will get 200 means then A value is become how many meters? 400 meters. The A value 400 meters is, if you are solving this equation, with reference of this equation, with linear equation of this we have to substitute these two equations. Platform length you will get, it is a 200 meters, and A train length is how many meters? 400 meters. And they are mentioned platform length is always constant for every train, means A train length is become 400 meters, then B train is how many meters? 250 meters, because platform to train difference is 50 meters, then platform is less than the B train means it is a 250. 250 minus 200, it is a 50, and here is also 450. And already I told you how to write the timings. Okay, timings and lengths. The timings and lengths purpose, already I made a table. The table we have to look at here. This is the table. Okay, already I told you how to calculate for ABC timings. It is a 36 seconds, 18 seconds, 21.6 seconds. You can solve for the DE also. You will get 48 and 26.4 seconds. And lengths, already I told you the how to calculate. This is the length of trains, 400, 250. This is every train is already contained. It is a platform. Already you know that it is a platform length is, already I told it 200. A train to platform difference is 200 meters as per this table. Where the table? This table wise they are mentioned, it is a not adding, it is a differences. Okay, it is a differences. Look at it is a difference between the length of here. So now we have to go for the questions. First of all, compulsory you have to make a table. Based on the table you have to go for the answers. Okay, look at the questions. I hope you understand this simplification not required. Okay, so go for the question now. Here the question is what? Okay, question is, what is the time taken by train A to cross a train P of length 150 meters running in the same direction as that of train A with speed 7 kilometer per hour? Okay, train A length is already we known how many meters, 400, and it is going to crossing a train P. The train P is 150 meters and both are in the same direction, means speeds are compulsory subtracted. Then train P speed is 7 kmph, but I need train A speed. Train A speed is how to calculate? Train A crossing 400 meter length, crossing a pole in 36 seconds. This is converted into kilometer per hour. We can write 18 by 5. 18 to 36, 2 times 5 2s is 10. It is 40 kmph. It is how many kmph? 40 kmph. Now you got train A speed also. Okay, as it is, you have to note it train speed. Train speed is how many kilometer per hour? 40 kilometer per hour. Okay, 400 by 36 applied, I got 40 kilometer per hour. But here is also we should apply 40 kilometer per hour. Both are in the same direction, that's why we are removing both are. Then 400 plus 150, which is 550. 550 by 33, 11 3s are 11 5s are 11 5s are 550 by 3. You can observe that this is meter per second, this is kilometer per hour. Kilometer per hour convert into meter per second means, so what we have to do here, into 5 by 18, 5 by 18, 3 to 18 how many times? 6 times, and here is 5 will be cancelled. It is equal to how many seconds? 60 seconds. 60 seconds is equal to how many minutes? 1 minute. These questions are somewhat calculation is more required. So overall is the answer is 1 minute here for this question. Next question for the same data. If train B crosses a platform of a certain length in 30.6 seconds, then what is the length of the platform? Initial platform is common, okay, that is leave it. Now new platform. Train B crosses. Train B is how many meters? 250 meters. Train B is how many meters? 250 meters. 250 meter train, length of the train crossing a platform. We don't know the platform length. We don't know the platform length here. Okay. Then here, but train is crossing in 18 seconds. For 250 meter purpose, it is taking 18 seconds. But platform 250 meters plus platform purpose, it is taken how many seconds? 30.6 seconds. Here is 30.6 seconds to and 18 seconds difference is how many seconds? 12.6 seconds. Here is difference is which time? P. P value will get. So get 18 seconds is equal to 250 meters means 12.6 is equal to how many meters? We will get how many meters? 175 meters. That means here train platform length is 175 meters here. We'll go for the next question. Train C crosses a person running in an opposite direction 20.25 seconds. Train C crosses. Train C length is 450 meters. Then what is the time taken by train B to cross the same person running in the same direction? Okay, this is such a, here is also some calculation is more required. Train C crosses a person running in a opposite direction. Okay, in how many seconds? 20.25. You can observe that length by total time apply, you will get two speeds. Then both are in opposite direction, the two speeds are added. From this train C speed will be removed. Train speed is removed. Train speed is what? Train C speed is 450 by 21.6. This is train C plus person. This is train C only. then speeds are going to removing, we'll get a person speed. Here cancel the values which are going to cancel. 5 4s and 5 5s and 5 9s, and it is 9 10s, 9 4s 36, and remaining is 9 5s, and it's a 1000 because 2 decimal will coming to numerator. It is 1000 by 45 means 200 by 9. You will get what is the value, 200 by 9, minus it is also going to cancel with 3 7s are 21, 3 2s are, and 3 150s. Here 1500 by 72, it is what, 1500 by 72. 1500 by 72 means it is also going to cancel by 3 24 and 3 50s, okay. Then 500 by 24, 500 by 24. If we are solving like this, what is the value we'll get here? 100 is the common, and 24 2's the value is 48, minus 9 5's are 45, and 9 into 24, and 48 to 45 difference is 3 3's are. Then finally we'll get 100 by 24, nothing but here 4 4's are 4 25's are. That means you will get 24 by 4 3's are 12. What is the speed you will get? 25 by 4 6 means it is 18. 25 by 18 meter per second will be get. This is a whose speed? Person speed. This is the same person is going to crossing in a same direction B train. B train length is how much? 250. 250 and 250 by 18 minus 25 by 8. This is the person speed. Both are in the same direction. Now 250 we are doing the calculation here. 250 into 18 by 225. 25 9s, 25 10s, and 9 to 2. That means it is a how many seconds? 20 seconds. 20 seconds means which option is correct? Option B is correct. Next question is, what is the time taken by train E to cross D when running in the same direction? Train E length is how much? 330 plus train D length is how much? 400 by, both are in the same direction, same direction means 330 by 26.4 minus 400 by 48. This is we have to going to solve it, okay, which is equal to, here cancel with 12 2's are 11 you can cancel, 11 2's are 11 4's are 11 30's are 330. Train E to cross train D na, we have to write reverse here. This is minus, this is plus basically, okay. And next 224 and 200. 330 plus 400, it is a 730, and numerator is coming by 24 by look at the decimal is coming here, it is a 300 minus 200. 300 minus 200 is 100. So 0 will be cancelled. 73 into 24 by 100. 73 into 24 by 100 will apply it. We will get what is the answer here. 175.2. Okay, how many seconds? 175.2 seconds will get. Then option C is correct here. Option C is correct. Next. Next, train M length is average length of all the 5 trains. All the 5 trains length is required. Average 250 plus 450, 700, 700 plus 300, 1000, 1000 plus 1830. Overall value is how much? 1830. 1830 by 5. It is equal to 5 3s are 15, 5 6 are 5 6 are. This is a 366 meters. 366 meters is belongs to M length. Whose length? M length. Train M crosses a train E in 24 seconds. Okay. Then train M. Train M is what? Train M length is 366. Plus train E. Train E length is what? 330. And crosses in opposite direction. Same direction. Opposite direction. Opposite direction means it is overall how many seconds? 24 seconds. Then opposite direction means two speeds are added. From these two speeds, train E speed will be removed. We will get an answer 330 by 26.4. Okay. Then cancel the values here. 11 2s and 11 4s and 11 3s and 30. Look at 366 plus 330, which is equal to total value is 696. This value is 696. From 696, 300 will be removed. You will get 396. 396 by 24. And here we need conversion kilometer per hour. That's why we are multiplying with 18 by 5. 18 by 5. And 6 3s are 6 4s are. And 4 9s are 36, 4 9s are 36, 99 3s are. 99 3s are means 9 3s are 27, 27 11s are values 297 by 5 kilometer per hour. Then 5 is going to dividing 297. 5 5s are is 25, remaining is 47, 5 9s are is 45 and 59.4 kilometer per hour. That means which option is correct? Option D is correct. Particularly this DI is very lengthy. Okay, then if you solve the questions very patiently, otherwise one mistake will be happen, the total DI will be going to is wrong. Okay, compulsory you have to make the table and you can solve it. Next we have a directions 106 to 110. Study the following information carefully and answer the questions. The line graph given below shows the average cost price and the table shows the profit percentage earned by shopkeeper in 5 different items A, B, C, D, E, 5 different items. And they are mentioned a line graph average cost price. AB average cost, BC average cost, CD average cost, DE average cost. It is EF because there is given items 5 only, A to E only. There is no F, it is a printing mistake, it is a E to A, PTA average. Okay. And they are mentioned a profit percentage also here. The profit percentage here, the profit percentage ABCD is 25 15. Basically we have to make the one table for this. Okay, without knowing the table you are unable to solve. Okay, for this compulsory we require a table. First of all you have to make the table for average cost purpose. Okay. Look at A plus B. A plus B average cost is 14. Okay, then it is A plus B is 14 average, and here is B plus C. B plus C is 20. This is average. And next C plus D is average is 16. Remember it is average. Next, that means average means we can write by 2 also. It is a hundreds. Okay, that's we have to focus. D plus E. D plus E it by 2 is equal to 20. And next E plus A. It is E plus A by 2 is equal to 22. Okay. Basically it is 100. From this what we can write? A plus B is equal to 2800. Next B plus C is equal to 4000. Next, C plus D is equal to 3200 and D plus E is equal to 4000. You can observe that the diagram wise they are mentioned hundreds. Okay, that's why I am writing 100. Next, E plus A, which is equal to 4400. Clear? We have to write A value and B value, C value, D value. A and B and C and D and E and F. No? Only E. Okay, up to E. We don't need to write up. Okay, this is CP and profit and SP. Based on this, we have to solve it. First of all, I need to go A value. A value means A plus B, B plus C, C plus D, D plus C. All are added now. You will get A plus B plus C is equal to. Here you will get A plus B plus C plus D plus E is equal to how much you will get 14 plus 20 plus 16. It is a 70 plus 20 plus 20. No, 50 plus 20 70 plus 22 it is a 9200. You will get 9200. In 9200 already we know B plus C is equal to 4000 and D plus C is also 4000. 4000 you will get. E value is how much? 1200. Once you know the A value, you can easily write all the values. Look at A value 1200. A plus B is equal 2800 means B value is 1600 and B plus C is equal 4000 means then C value is 2600 and D plus C is equal 3200 means D value is 600 cost price and D plus E is equal 4000 means E value is 3400. Now we require profit percentage. Profit percentage is how much? Look at this is the profit percentage. This is profit percentage. A will take how much percentage profit? 25% is profit. A will take how much percentage profit? 25% of 1200 means how much rupees profit? 300. And it is a 15%. 15% means 240 is the profit. And 20% is profit means it is a 580 rupees is the profit. Okay. And 40% means 240 rupees is the profit. And 10% is profit means it is a 340. Okay. Just I am taking the percentage directly to getting an answer there. Okay. So based on this, we should calculate next selling price. Selling price means cost price and profit added. Now it is a selling price. It is a 1500 and it is a 1840 and it is 3180 and next 3100. C value, check it. C value is wrong I did it. Look at it is a 4000. 4000 means B plus C, it is a 2400. In 2400, how much percentage? 20% is profit means it is a 480. 2400 2880. Next, it is a 840. And next, it is 3740. For all the questions calculation purpose, this table is required. That's why we calculated now. Okay. Directly we'll go for the questions. The question is here. If the item A is marked 140% above its cost price, okay, already we did it, this not required. Okay, already you understand this, not required as per the data. Now go for the calculations. If the item A is marked 140% above its cost price, A is how much? It is 140% above. 100% plus 40% is extra. 12 4 is 480. 480 rupees extra and 1200 is extra. These are 1680. 1680 added na, the market price become of the article A is 2880. 1680 plus 1200, 140% is about. Options correctly shows the two successive discount after it is marked price is 2880. Selling price is what? 1500. Okay. Then how much discount? Look at 15% discount applied now, you will get 288 and 144 means then almost 400 will be removed. 400 removed now, you will get 2480. From 2480, 700 removed, you will get it is you will get 1700, but our answer is selling price 1500. That means option A is wrong. And go for the B option. 660 plus 1320 overall is 1980. 1980 is removing from the 2880. You can't get 1500. This is also wrong. And go for the C. 25%. 25% is removing from the 2880. Okay. 2880 25% means 4 7 and 420. That means 720 will be removed from 2880. 720 will be removed now. You will get 0 and 6 and it is 2160. Again you can remove 660. You can remove it now, you will get 1500. That means option is C correct. It is selling price. Our selling price is 1500. Okay, then our option C is correct. Go for the next question. Look at this is a question and we have a options also. What is the total profit percentage earned when items B and C are sold together? Look at their profits B and C. It is a 720, 240 plus 480, 720, and the cost price is how much? 4000, and we need percentage multiply with 100. 4 to 72, how many times? 18 times. That means which option is correct? 18% profit is exactly correct. Next. Next, 108 question. Had the item B is purchased at 15% less price than the original CP. B is purchased for 1600. 15% is less. 15% means 10% is 160, 5% is 80. It is a 240 less. 240 less from the 1600 means it is become 1360. 1360. It is purchased for 1360 and sold 15% is more than the original selling price. Original selling price is how much? 1840. In 1840 we can take 184 and 92 because 15% it is a 10% is value, it is a 5% value. This is added here 6 and it is a 9 plus 8, it is 17. 17 plus 4 value is 121 and 18 plus 2 it is a 22 116. Then it is a selling price, it is a cost price, it is CP and it is SP. Difference is how much? 136 becoming 2116 means how much rupees difference? 516 is difference. 516 is a 516 or 756, sorry, 756 is the difference. Yeah, 756 is the difference. Question is what? Then the new profit amount earned is what percentage more than the actual profit amount earned? Actual profit is how much for B? 240. How much extra? Here 560. 516 extra. Comparing to how much percentage? 240. We need percentage multiply with 100. Then cancel the values here. 0 0 cancel. 3 8 3 how many times? 3 17 and 3 2 okay. To cancel with 2 2 4 and 2 5 and 4 is cancelling with 172. 4 how many times? 4 4 16, 4 3 43 5 43 5 means it is equal to how much percentage? 215 percentage. That means our option is D. Option D is correct. For the same data, next question. But once you make the table, the questions are very easy. Okay. Initially, then D is marked 800 is above. Basically, D is 600 only. Then 600 or 800. It is 800, yeah. till now we discussed that it is total is 3200, no? Is it 800? 800 plus 2400, it is a total value 3200. Yes, exactly. D value. D is marked above is 800 above. 800 above means it is a MRP value is become 1600 now. But at the item billing, shopkeeper given is some percentage of discount which is equal to 30%. Then find the selling price of item. 30% is discounted from the 1600, which is equal to some percentage discount which is equal to 30%. 30% is given discount. 10% is 160. Then 480. 30% means how much? 480 will be removed. 480 will be removed. Now remaining value is 1120. Option B. Next. Yes. Next question is 110. If item E is sold after giving a 3 successive discounts of 10%, 25%, 530 respectively, then what is the marked price percentage on item E? Item E purpose we have to calculate marked price. E is sold for 3740. Finally it is sold for 3740. No, it is also going to change. Now it is 3200, it is 320, and it is become a what? 3520. 3520. One mistake, it is a total mistake. 3520. 3520. It's clear. Then it is selling price. 3520 is selling price. But after the discount of 530 is, for example, not discounted. It is not discounted means it is becoming how much? 4050. But this is also happens after the 2 successive discounts. Already 530 added, now 2 successive discount. 2 successive discount, it is 100, but I need 90. It is 75 and 100. We require going to calculating for market price. 25 3s are 25 4s are, and 0 cancel, and 9 2, how many times? 9 3s are 9 4s are 9 4s are 36, and 9 5s are in 0. 450. 3 to 450, how many times? 150 times. 150 4s are, it is a 6000. 6000 product finally sold out for 3520 means, then what is the mark percentage on item E? Mark percentage, that means initial value is 3200. Comparing to cost price, it is how much? 2800 is increased. Is comparing to 3200, we need percentage multiply with 100, and 0000 cancel. 4 7s are 480. 7 by 8 is equal to 87.5%. 1 by 8 is equal to 12.5%, and 7 by 8 is equal to 87.5%. Option B is correct. Next. Yes, next we have a questions not required this table. 112 we have a different questions. Look at a bag contains 6 red shirts, 6 green shirts, and 8 blue shirts. If two shirts are drawn randomly without repetition, what is the probability that the first shirt is red and other shirt is blue? Okay, then overall is how many shirts are there? 20 shirts are there. Out of 20 shirts we have to require 2 shirts only. What is the probability that first shirt is red and other shirt is blue? And 20C2. Now without repetition, without repetition means it is a 20C1. 20C1, first shade is red. Red means 6C1 into next shade is blue. Blue shade means 8, and it is a 19C1. Directly we'll write basically 6 into 8 by 20 into 19. 4 5s are and 4 2s are. It is answer is 12 by 95. 12 by 95. means option E is correct. For the same data, next we have a question 112. A bag contains 6 red shades, 6 green shades and 8 blue shades. What is the probability that at most one shade is red? At most one shade is red. Here 2 shades we have to pick. From 20 we have to pick 2 shades. They are not mentioned, it is a not repeated. Directly you can go with the 2 shade selection. At most one shade is red. At most one shade red means red shades separated 6C1 into remaining shades are 14 shades out of C1 plus at most one shade means one shade, otherwise 0 shades, 6C0 into 14C2. This is our selection. Now can calculate it. 6 into 14 plus 60 value is 1 into 14. 14 you can write 14 into 13 by 2 into 1, 2 to 14 7 times, 13 7 is 91 by 20C2. 20 into 19 by 2 into 1, 2 to 20 it is a 10 times, it is a 10 into 19. Okay. Here 6 into 14, 6 into 14, it is 84 and 84 plus 91 which is 175, 170, 175, okay, 175 by 10 into 90, cancel with 5, 5 2s are 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are, then finally our answer is 35 by 38. 35 by 38 means what option is correct? Option A is correct here. Next we have 113 to 117 number series. A number is bolded. You can observe that 536, 536, 536 in a 3 statements. 536 is a bold number. The bold number is set or not set in given series. That's we have to check it for the given logic wise. First of all, we have to, this is somewhat lengthy questions, so and somewhat toughest also, high level of the for the number series, and that too they are asking for one question you have to check the 3 series for the uh, wrong number series, not next number in series, there is a wrong number in the series. Just we have to check it. Look at the first one, statement 1 wise. Okay. 40, 41, next 68, next 193, and our bold number is 536 for this series 1265. This is we have to check it is a set or not set. 40 to 41 gap is 1 and 41 to 68 gap is 27 and 68 to 193 gap. 68 to 193 gap means 8 become a 3. It is a 5. Okay, 5 added. Then it is a 140 or 130. 125. 125. And next it is a how much? 3 became a 6 means 3 added. And 19 became a 53. It is a 34. Okay. Next it is, look at, it is a 1 cube and it is a 3 cube, it is a 5 cube and it is a 7 cube, and next 9 cube it is a 729. That means this 536 is this 536 set for the this series, just adding the cube. That means statement 1 is correct here. Next check it, second one, which is the wrong. We have to decide it what is the wrong here. Okay, then first one is correct. First one is correct means which option is wrong? This here, this is wrong. Okay, then 2 and 3 we have to check it. 2 we have to check it. The 2 is 50 58, it is added by 8, and next 122, it is how much added? 58 means 42 plus 22, it is 64 added, and next 338, 338 means how much added? It is a 216 added, and next 536, and next 1850. Okay, just look at here, this is a 2 cube, this is a 4 cube, this is a 6 cube, next should be 8 cube. 8 cube means compulsory we should add 512. When you're adding 512 to 338, it is not 536. That means this series is not following our logic. The wrong number is there. That means this statement is wrong. And coming to the third statement. Third statement wise 9, 11, 17 and 29, 49 and 536. Check the differences here. Here the difference is 2. Here the difference is how much? 6. Here the difference is 12. And here the difference is 20. And next, look at it, the small difference is there. It is a suddenly bigger number. That means this is also, the series is not giving a perfect. That means 536 is not set for this series. Okay, this is also wrong. That means statement 2 is wrong, statement 3 is wrong. Then this is, out of these three statements, which statements are wrong means both 2 and 3. Then option D is correct here. Okay, let's go for the next question. For the same type, look at statement 1. Statement 1 is 1, 2, 10, 44, 101, 226. 1 became a 2. How much added? 1 added. It is 8 added. It is, you can observe that what is the bold number here? 44, 44, 44. You can observe that in three statements, 44, 44 is a 3. Here is 101 became a 226 means 125. This is 5 cube. This is a 2 cube. This is a 1 cube. That means here is we can write 27. Here we can write 64. When 10 to 27 added, it is becoming not 44. That means the 44 is not setting this, not set in this series. That means this series is going to wrong. Next, second statement, 32 and 33, 55 and 44 and 108 and 733. Just we have to check the given bold number is correct or wrong, or is flexible for this series for given series is not. We have to check it. 1 is added. Here is how much added? 33 became a 55 means 22 added. This 1 is added and 22 added. It is a 30, 32, 33, 35. Sorry, it is a 35. It is 35 means how much added? Just 2 added. Just 2 added. And next, 35 to 44. How much added? 9 added. And 44 to 108. 44 to 108. How much added it is? So 64 added. 64 and 108 becoming it is 625. Look at how to write. This is 5 to the power of 4. This is what? 4 to the power of 3. This is what? 3 to the power of 2. This is what? 2 to the power of 1. And this is what? 1 to the power of 0. 1 to the power of 0 value is 1. That means this 44 is set for this series. Okay, statement 2 is correct. Next, statement 3. We have to check. Till now statement 1 is wrong. Okay, and coming to the statement 3. Here 120, 130. Here difference is how much? 10. And next 100 and 150 and 44 and 170. Look at here is how much subtracted? 30 is subtracted and 50 added. Look at here, the series is going to increasing. It is a plus 10. 10 to 30, 20 gap, 30 to 50, 20 gap. Here is also 70. 70 is going to removing. From 150, 70 is going to removing. It is not 44. That means this series is also wrong. Okay, this series also contain 44 is wrong. How many statements are wrong? First and third. First and third is wrong means option B is correct. Next question, 115. Here we have to focus that statement 1, 21, 33, 52, 80, 119 and 171. Okay, 21 became a 33 means how much added? 12 added. Okay, next here is how much added? 19 added. Here is how much added? 28 added. Here is how much added? 39 added. And here it is a bold number is 80. 80 is it is a fit or not, we have to check it. Here 52. Look at 12 become a 19 means how much added? 7 added. And here is 19 become a 28 means 7 added. 7 it is a 9 added, sorry, 9 added. And it is 11 added. And next should be 13 added. Yes, this series is clearly correct. Now statement 2. Statement 2 is 124, 80, 124, 80, 28, 12, 4, comma 0. Now you have to check it. It is the 80 is set or not. 124, 124 to 80 difference is how much? It is a 44. And 80 to 28 difference is how much? Here is, look at 4 to become a 0 means 4, and 4 become a 12 means 8. 4 double is 8. 8 double is 16. Yes, 16 added, and 16 double is 32. When you are adding 28 plus 32, it is not 80, it is a 60 only. 60 plus 64, it is a 124. That means 80 is not setting for this series. Statement 2 is wrong. And go for the statement 3 now. Check the statement 3. 8 and 8 and 15, 15, 41 and 80. Next to 228. 228. 8 become 8. 8 become 8 means how much difference? 0 difference and 7 difference. And 15 to 41 difference is how much? 26. And here is 39. And here is how much? 228. Look at here, this is a 1 cube minus 1, it is a 2 cube minus 1, it is a 3 cube minus 1, it is 4 cube minus 1 should be there, but here there is 39. That means the 80 is not going to set. This is also series is wrong. Then 2 and 3 wrong. 2 and 3 wrong means our answer is option B. Next 116, statement 1. 3, 9, 25, 59, 119 and 130. We have to focus 130. Here the difference is 6. Here the difference is 16. Here the difference is how much? 25. It is a 34. And here the difference is how much? 60. And here the difference is how much? 119 became 130 means 11. Look at here, the difference is going to increasing, but suddenly it is a decrease. That means this series is totally wrong. Check the statement 2. Statement 2 is 15, 28, 130, 642, 5128, next to 51270. Here is, you can observe 5128 into 10 minus 10. Here is, you can observe here into 8 minus 8. Here into 6 minus 6. Here into 4 minus 4. Here into 2 minus 2. It is a, what is the bold number here? 130. 130 is not correct here for this series. This is also wrong. You can observe that 28 4s are minus 4 you can apply it, you can't get the 130. Next, statement 3. In statement 3 wise, 70, 72, 77, 87, 104, 130. You can check here. 70 became 72 means 2 added, 72 became 70 means 5 added, and 77 became 87 means 10 added, and here 87 became a 104, it is 13, it is a 17 added, and here is 26 added. 2 became a 5, 3 added, here is 5 added, here is 7 added, here is 9 added. Okay, odd number series. That means this statement is correct. Out of this all the 3 statements, which statement is correct? Third statement. Which statements are wrong? 1 and 2. 1 and 2 means option A is correct. Next, 117, statement 1. 10, 95, 180, 345, comma 670, comma 1315. Okay. Out of this, what is a bold number? 10 is a bold number. 10 we have to check it, which is a correct or which is a wrong. And look at here, then here the difference is 85. And here the difference is also 85. Here the difference is 165. And here the difference is what? 325. And here the difference is what? 645. And we have to check, here the value is 320 and here the value is 160 and here the value is 80. Here the value should be 40 only, because 320 of 160, 160 of 80, 80 of value is 40. When 85 to 40 means this is not correct. This is not correct means the 10 is wrong number. The 10 is not set for this series, that is this, the statement is totally wrong. And coming to the statement 2. Statement 2 wise, 10, comma 35, next 85, 160, 260 and 385. 10 became a 35 means how much added? 25 added, and here is 50 added. Here is how much added? 75 added. Here is how much added? 100 added. And here is how much added? 100. No? It is next to 125 added. This series is correct. That means statement 2 is perfectly correct. And checking the statement 3. Checking the statement 3. 0, 10, 47, 129, 274, 500. Okay. Then 0 became a 10. 0 became a 10 means how much added? 10 added. And it is 37. And here is how much added? 7 became a 129. That is a 2 added. 80. 82 added. 82. Yes. And next how much added? 145 added. Next 274 became a 500 means how much added? 236 added. 236 added. 236 sorry 226 added. Okay, 226 added. 10 became a 37. That means 27 added. And it is 45 added. And it is what? Here 63 added. And here is 81 added. 9 9 ja, 9 7 ja, 9 5 ja, 9 3 ja. This is also following the series. The 10 is perfectly set for this. That means only statement 1 is wrong. That's only statement 1, option C here. Okay. Next we have a miscellaneous questions. The miscellaneous questions wise, 118. In a shopping mall, the profit on selling the price of a toy is 28% of the cost price. If the cost price increases by 45% but the selling price remains constant, approximately what is the percentage of profit on SP? SP we have to calculate by the profit percentage. Finally, 28% on cost price. 28% on cost price means here 280 by 100. Denominator is cost price, numerator is what? Profit. Then 280 plus 100, it is a 380. 380 is a selling price. Now the cost price is going to incremented by 45%, means it is a new cost price is 145. 145 and 380. Then what is a, but the selling price means approximately what is the percentage of profit on SP? Yes, approximately what is the profit percentage on SP? How to calculate this? Here, then here is how much it is a cost price now, new cost price and old selling price. Difference is how much? 235. 235 rupees profit. 45 rupees is increased. That's why it's a profit became a 235. 235 on 380 we need percentage multiply with 100. 235 by 380 when you are applying, it is you will get more than 50%. More than 50% means you can easily understand it is equal to how much percentage? 60%. Then here is option is D is correct here. Next, Here m plus 5 men working, h plus 3 hours taking wall in 10 days, m plus 2 men working, h plus 5 hours in wall in 10 days. If you are applying m1 d1 by h1 is equal to m1 d2 by h2, as otherwise m1 d1 h1 is equal to m2 d2 h2, you have it two question marks of m and h. You are unable to solving the m and h. That's why then we are unable to solve any one value of m and h. That means here is option is none of this. Next, Sudan and Rameshan appear in interview for two vacancies in the same office. The probability of Sudan selection is, for example, I will go with a B, 1 by 7. Selection is first Sudan. Sudan is 1 by 7 means selection value is 1 by 7 means not selection value is 6 by 7. And next Ramesh is selection value is 1 by 6 means not selection value is 5 by 6. And you can observe that here any one will be selected, only one of them will be selected, means Sudan selected means Ramesh not selected 5 by 6, or Ramesh selected means Sudan not selected, it is a 6 by 7, it is a overall value is 30 by, okay, sorry, it is 11 by 6 plus 5, it is 11 by 42, 11 by 42 is final answer. Then you can apply that here BCA or CBA, that means our options is B is correct and C is correct. B is correct and C is correct, it means as per the combination, then final option is D correct. D correct. Both BCA is perfect and CBA is also perfect. Next, sum of area of circle. Area of circle formula is pi r square 22 by 7. R radius is required. Next line they are given diameter of a circle is 14. That means radius is 7 into 7 plus area of rectangle is sum of the values. Area of rectangle formula is length into breadth. Length into it is a 16 into breadth, which is equal to 458. And cancel the value 7, 7 cancel, 7 to the 14, 7 to the 14, which is equal to 154. 154 is removing from the 458. It is becoming 304. 304 going to solving, then breadth is equal to 19. Then we have to calculate perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter of a rectangle means 2 into 16 plus 19 is 16 plus 19 value is 35, 35 to the value is 70, 70 centimeter, that is the perimeter of rectangle, means option C is correct. Next, a person covers a distance of with a speed of 36 km per hour in 10 minutes. It is 36 km 10 minutes means he is covering a distance is 6 kilometers. Every 10 minutes he is going a 36 kmph means 36 kmph 1 hour means in 10 minutes he will cover 6 kilometers. That means distance is kilometer. That means second is and third, these are the corrects. Okay, then there is a chance. And next line is they are mentioned in 20 minutes they are going to covering the same distance is covering in 20 minutes with what is the speed. In 10 minutes means 36 km per hour means in 20 minutes means the speed is become what 18 km per hour. That means which combination is correct? Second combination is correct. Only 2 is correct. Option B. Next, the average height of a 25 students is class is x plus 2. X plus 2 into 25. From this, 5 members are left. 5 into x minus 2 their average, and new boys are entered. 5 into their average is x, and nothing will be changed. Total value is 25. Their average is become final average is 132.4. 132.4 we can write 132 by 4 10, and 5 5s are and 5 2s are and 2 6s are 2 6s are 2 2s are, and here is 5 cancel, 5 5s are and 5 here is cancel, here is cancel. Look at here is a minus into x, minus x plus x cancel, minus into minus plus 2, and 5 2s are 10. Here 5x plus 12 which is equal to 662, and 12 will be removing from the 662, it is becoming 650 by 5 which is equal to x. X is equal to what is the value? 130. 130. 130 means which option is correct? Option D is correct. Next, there are two containers equal capacity. The ratio of milk of the first container is x minus x is to 3. In the second container is 5 is to 2. Then final container is contain 9 is to 5. Equal containers means nothing will be changed. 3 plus 2 is 5. You can observe that here is 3, here is 2. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Now here is first value is there given 5. Here is what is the value? Then x value is becomes compulsory 4. 4 plus 5 value is 9. That means only C will be applicable. C will be means then option C. Next, ratio of the cost price of the table and the chairs ratio is 5 is to 1. this is table, and this is chairs. 5:1 means 5x and 1x. Here is x. I will take one part is equal to x. X into, then chair is 30% more its cost price. That means 130 by 100. And next, and shopkeeper offer 25% discount means it is a 75%. Then finally, it is the selling price of the chair is, in the third line they are given 1950. Cancel the values. Here 0 0 cancel, 13 ones are 13, 13 150, and 25 threes are 25 fours are, and 3 to 150 50 times. Finally x value is become 450 is a 200, 200 into 10 means it is a 2000. One part is equal to x, x is equal to 2000. One part is equal to 2000 means 5 parts is equal to how much? 10,000. It is what? Here next second line they mention cost price, and the shopkeeper offer 25% discount on market price of the chair. If the shopkeeper offers 20% discount on market price of the table, while he get 20% profit on the selling price. 20%, this is what? Cost price of the selling price. So cost price of the table. Selling price is what? 12,000. And this is happens after the discount. How much percentage discount? 20% discount. 20% discount on something value to getting a 12,000 means it is a 15,000. In 15,000, 20% discount value 3,000. 3,000 is removing from the 15,000. You will get selling price is 12,000. That means here is the market price is 15,000. Option B is correct. Which option is correct? Option B is correct. Next, ABC together can complete a work in 10 days. Okay, A efficiency and B efficiency, C efficiency, we should write it. Assume it B value is 100 and A efficiency is 25% more means 125. C efficiency is 25% less means it is a 75. 25 threes are, 25 fours are, and 25 fives are. Their efficiency ratio is 5:4:3. And total work you can write it. Total work is 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 into they worked for 10 days. This work is completely done by C alone means it will be completed in how many days? 40 days only. C alone will be complete a work in how many days? 40 days. And D and C both will complete a work in how many days? C plus D both will be complete a work in 24 days. Then we require D alone. How to calculate D alone? When they are given a combination, you can apply that xy into x plus y or x minus y. Xy into x minus y, it is a 16. 4 10s are, 4 4s are, 4 6 are. It is D alone will be complete a work in how many days? 60 days. 60 days means which option is correct? Option D. Next, it is a partnership based question. AB started a business with investment x plus x. It is a started a business with x rupees for 12 months, and B started a business with x plus 1000 for 12 months, and C started a business with x minus 500 but not at a time. After the 4 months means his experience is 8 months. 4 2s are, 4 3s are, and here is 4 3s are. 3 into x 3x. Total how many parts? Total is how many parts here? 3 into x 3x, 3x 3x 6x, 6x means 6x plus 2x, it is a 8x. It is a how many x? 8x. And 3 into 1000 3000, 3000 minus 1000 is 2000. In these total parts, in denominator, numerator is B parts. B parts is how much? 3x plus 3000, which is equal to B profit is 6000 out of total 12,000. That means it is a 1 by 2. 6000 by 12,000 means 1 by 2. Then 2 will be going to cancel. It is 1000 and it is 4x. And 4x to 3x gap is 2x. Then 1000 to 3000 gap is 2000. Then finally x value is what? 2000. Then option D. Option D is correct. Next, a boat covers 100 kilometers with x hours. Okay, x hours means it is a boat speed plus current speed. We are along the stream now. Boat speed plus current speed. Current speed is given 5 kmph in x hours. Same 84 distance kilometer covered with the same boat with same stream, but against wise the boat speed is increased to 30% means 1.3 of B. But here the upstream now Against the stream means current speed is going to remove it. If you are solving this equation, then boat speed will be generated. The boat speed will be 20 km per hour. 20 km per hour. That means option A. Next, Grace invests 4,800 for 4 years. Certain rate of interest. Rate of interest will take R1 by 100. And here, next, Deepa invested 4,000 4 years with a certain rate of interest R2 100. Then difference is how much here? 480. You can observe that here the principal not same. We are unable to solve this question. That means answer is what? Cannot be determined. Option E. Next, Rahul goes to office at 60 kmph. After he traveled 20% of journey, he realized he missed his watch at home. So he returned at home and takes the watch. Then he goes to the office at a usual speed. Will reach the office 18 minutes late. Okay, why it is getting 18 minutes late means, okay, then speed into his speed is 60 km per hour. He is getting how many minutes late? 18 minutes late. 18 minutes convert into hours. This is 60. Okay, 60 cover completed. That means he covered 18 kilometers extra. Okay, 60 km per hour. 60 km per hour means every 1 hour. 60 kilometers means every 1 minute 1 kilometer. Then 18 minutes is equal to 18 kilometers he covered extra. This is equal to he is going 20% and come back 20%. Again he is taking a watch and again he is going. That means the 20 it is compulsory. The journey is doubled covered. Okay, with missing of the watch, he covered 40% distance extra. 40% is equal to 18 kilometers. 100% is required. Again 40% is equal to 18 kilometers. Again 40% is equal to 18 kilometers. 20% is equal to 9 kilometers. Look at here, this 40 plus 20 it is equal to 100%. Then 18 plus 18 36, 36 plus 9 is equal to overall is how many kilometers? 45 kilometers. Option C. Next, ratio of ages of A to B is 5:6. Ratio of B to C is 7 years is 5:4. If the average age of ACD is 43 years and the average age of the present ages of, if you write the ratio A is to B is equal to 5:6, here is 5x and here is 6x, and B is to C is 5:4 after 7 years. 5:4. This after 7 years means present is what? 5x minus 7 and it is 4x minus 1. Okay, we can write it this like. Okay, but look at the line here. The difference between D to B is 4 years. That means what we can write? D minus B is equal to 4 years or B minus D is equal to 4 years. So what is the line we can write? We are unable to solve this question based on this statement. We are unable to write D minus B or B minus D. What is the statement we have to consider to getting a final answer? Then here is also, here the B value 5x minus 7, here the B value 6x, and these both are also not equal. That's why you are unable to solve the question. Then our answer is cannot be determined. Next, Hashini spends 25% of salary education, spends 30% on house rent, 20% is the remaining spend shopping, the remaining amount invest insurance and transport. Ratio is 1:2. Finally they need salary. Salary is completely depends on what? Money base. But in a question is not contain any money value. It's any money value means then we are unable to solve the question. Then answer is what? Cannot be determined here. Next we have a simplification. We'll solve the simplification. 14 2/7% is equal to 1/7. It is a 1/3. It is a 1/6. It is a 252. And cancel the values here. 6 4s are 24. 6 2s are 7 3s are 21. 21 to 42 how many times? 2 times. That means option D is correct. Percentage directly I will write. Then 19.9% is approximation wise. It is a 20%. 20% we can write 1/5 also. 20% that is we can write 1/5 into 520 minus 1/7 into 343. 7 to 343 49 times 5 104. 104 minus 49. 104 minus 49 value is 55. Option B. Next question. Root of 362. It is not possible. Then you can take root of 361. Root of 361 is equal to 19. 19% is equal to 19 by 100 and 1200 by 38. You can observe that 0000 cancel. 19 2s are 2 to 12. How many times? 6 times. X minus 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 by 3 into 600. 3 to 600. How many times? 200. 200 8 is 16. 1600 is adding to 6. It is a x is equal to 606. Then option A is correct. Next, 1 by 3 of root of 730.3, you can't get it. Root of 729 you can apply it. It is a 27 plus root x by 2 and root x minus root of 1225. You can consider it is a not of, don't take 1226, you are unable to solve. 1225 you can take, it is a 35. 35 by 5, 35, this the value is 35. This overall value is 35. 35 by 5 value is 7. Okay. Then 3 to 27, how many times? 9. 9 minus 7, it comes plus 7. Plus 7 plus 9, it is a 16. And root x by 2. So here, what is the value? 16 2 is 32. Root x is equal to 32. Then x is equal to what is the value? 1024. Option B is correct. Next. 74.89% we can write 75% value 3 by 4 into 80 plus x square plus 20% of 300, which is equal to 5 into x square plus 53. This root value you can write 53. And 482, how many times? 20. 23 is 60 plus x square plus 20% of 300. 10% is 30, 10% is 60 and minus 53, which is 5x square. And 5x square minus x square, it is 4x square, and 60 minus 53, it is a 7, it is a 67. 4 to 67, it is not calculated exactly, but it is a 16 times. 16 is equal to x square, then x is equal to what is the value? 4, option A. Next, we have a quantity based question. Selling price of radio to get a gain of 12.5%. A dealer sold a radio at loss of 2.5%. Had he sold it for 100 rupees more, he would have gained 7.5%. Look at it is a 7.5%, it is a 2.5%. Overall, it is becoming, as per the quantity 1, what we can write? 10%. 10% is equal to 100 rupees. Then 112.5% is equal to what is the value? Here is multiple 10, here is also multiple 10, it is becoming 1125 rupees. Then you can observe the quantity 2, they are asking about 24 rupees less and 24 rupees and 20% discount. That means their money value is very less. Here the money value is very less. Then here the money value is more. Here is 1125. Here is you will get 24 rupees less 12.5%. 12.5% is value 1 by 8. 1 by 8 of 24 means it is a 3 rupees. 3 rupees less than 24 rupees means this value is 21. Then 21 is a cost price. Here is 1125. Then when you are solving with 21, 1000, more than 1000 is always bigger. That means directly we will say without solving, quantity 1 is greater than quantity 2. Then option A. Next. Quantity 1 and quantity 2 for 139. Percentage markup above cost price of an article is to gain 33% after allowing a customer discount. Here it is a basic formula, MP into 100 minus discount percentage, which is equal to CP into 100 plus profit percentage. This is a basic formula to comparing with CP and cost price. And MP by CP, when comparison wise, 100 minus discount means it is becoming 95. 100 plus 33 means it is a 133. 133. MP is 133, CP is 95. Both will be cancelled with 19, 19 5 and 19 7. How much rupees extra? 2. 2 by 5 into 100 means 2 by 5 into 100 means it is equal to 40. 40% markup. How much percentage markup? 40%. This is belongs to total story is belongs to what? Quantity 1. And coming to the quantity 2. Look at, there are two type of persons are there. more than 25 years, less than 25 years, and there is a group of members. 20 members are singers. Singers are 20 members, and dancers are 40 members. Total members are 60. Clear? In 20 members dancers, singers, 20% of value, 20% is value 4 members. 4 members are below 25 years, and 40% of total group means 24 members. This is also below 25 years. Below 25 years total value 24. Below 25 years singers are 4 means then dancers are 20 members. This 20 members out of 60 is what percentage? That is our question. This is equal to 20 by 60 means 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is equal to, we can write 33 1 by 3 percentage. 33 1 by 3 percentage is always smaller than the 40 percentage. Directly we'll say quantity 1 is greater than quantity 2. Next, value of fifth number, quantity 1 for 140 question. So average of 5 numbers is 61. Okay, 5 numbers, quantity 1. 5 members average is 61. 4 members average is 69. Here difference is 8. Here difference is 1. 1 into 69. 8 into 40. 8 into 40. 8 into 5. Sorry. 8 into 5 is 40. 69 into 69. Here 69 to 40 gap is 69 to 40 gap is 29. That means the fifth number value is 29 for the quantity 1 purpose. Quantity 1 purpose. And coming to the quantity 2. Quantity 2, we can apply the mixture and allegation. Boys average age is 20 years. Girls average age is 15 years. Total class average is 18. And you can apply 3, here is 2. And girls are 2 parts is equal 20 members means boys are 3 parts is equal 30. Here 29 is bigger or 30 is bigger? 30 is bigger. When comparing to quantity wise, comparing the magnitudes of quantities, here 29, here 30. Without knowing the values, just we have to compare it. Okay, then without applying the any measurements, like 29 is the age and 30 is the number of values, no, not take the values, directly we'll go with the magnitudes. Then comparing the numbers 29 30, 30 is a bigger, that will directly will say quantity less than quantity 2. Okay, then which option is correct? Option B. Option B is correct. Okay, I hope we can understand the, you can understand the all the questions. Okay, thank you.